He's at the gas station. I'm gonna open the top for my son, and then I'll show you guys what he got.
I got a green one?
I don't know.
It is a green, Mommy.
You don't know that.
Oh, yeah. A green pig.
Okay, hold on.
I want to see inside.
Okay, show him what's inside. You gotta twist it, dude.
Big boy?
Yeah, twist. This way. Twist to open.
Show me.
Twist it.
Show
Just
me.
like the way that you get your other one open. Push and twist.
Push and twist. Push and twist.
There it goes. Which one did you get?
Yellow.
You got yellow again?
Uh-huh.
Up. Well, you got yellow. Let's see. Now it has a friend. Next time, take it from the top, okay?